Hi, I'm Mark. I'll be the bars manager here down at Ness Walk, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pineapple mint cooler. So the pineapple and mint cooler we're making today is just a wee twist on a classic Pina colada, but instead of using rum, we're going to use Belvedere vodka. A beautiful vodka to use in cocktails, crisp, very clean. So the measures I want to start off with today is I'm going to add this into the Boston shaker, so it's going to be 50 mils. Fantastic. Now after I want to add my pineapple juice, 50 mils. And then I want to add 25 of coconut syrup. Perfect. And the next thing I need is some mint leaves. So I'm going to add about 10 mint leaves. And before I add this into the Boston shaker, I just want to give it a wee clap, and that opens up all the aromas in the mint. Perfect. So after I've added my mint sprigs, I want to add some ice into the Boston shaker. And then just give it a wee mix. Perfect. I want to add some glass into my tumbler glass. And then just strain it onto the rocks. And just add just a wee touch more ice. I want to add my pineapple garnish. And then to garnish, also, we've got a sprig of mint, which is from our garden at the hotel here. Perfect. This is our pineapple mint cooler.